Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or remove a sponsor on Cash App in 2026. So if you are using a sponsor account and you need to update or remove your sponsor, this quick guide is going to walk you through the correct steps. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on your phone. Over here, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you do this, you will be landed here on this page where you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of families. So here, when you click on the option of families, you are going to see the sponsors details. So if you are eligible to remove the sponsor, right next to their profile, you will see the remove sponsor option. When you tap on it, you will be prompted to confirm this action. So the important thing that you need to know here is Cash App may only allow this if you meet the age or the verification requirements. Now, if you want a new sponsor, you typically need to remove the existing sponsor first. After the removal, Cash App allows you to send a new sponsorship request. So then you can enter the new sponsor's details and wait for the approval. Cash App may ask for the identity verification. So you need to follow the on-screen instructions if required. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.